scammer. I have not started my car literally all day, and at 10 o'clock at night I thought it was the perfect idea. So here's a 10 p.m. cold start. This is gonna be loud. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. I hope you are having a wonderful day, and if you are not, after you watch this video, I hope your day gets better. All right, so everybody wants to know how I afford my 2023 BMW M5 Comp. Now, it's a couple methods, you know what I'm saying? It's a couple methods, and I dropped some sauce on y'all in the last video. If you haven't watched the last video, go ahead and click right somewhere up here and watch the last video, man, before you watch this one. Make sure you leave us a like, make sure you leave it a comment, and make sure you leave a subscribe. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you one way. I have multiple ways, but I'm gonna tell you a couple different ways on how I afford this 2023 M5 Comp. I don't know if some of you know me, some of you do, some of you don't. I used to be a truck driver. I used to drive trucks. I still get money off the trucking industry, but I currently do not drive trucks because I want to focus my passion into cars and other things that I have going on in life besides trucking. I do still get money off trucking because I have some other people, you know what I'm saying? So I got my ways to get money off trucking. So that's number one on how I afford this 2023 M5 Comp. Now, most will say, like I told y'all before, or I don't know if I told y'all before, but you need multiple sources of income. You can just have one source of income and it can be really good and you can get this car. But for me, the average person who's not big on YouTube, not big on, social media platforms, I need multiple sources of income to afford this car. I'm not ashamed to say it. I enjoy having multiple sources of income. It's very fun to me. But if you want to get something expensive, something real big, you have to have multiple sources of income, man. Like, one stream income is cool if you're making a lot of money off that one stream, you know what I'm saying? But generally, like, everybody, realistically speaking, that I personally know, have multiple streams of income off multiple different things that they do before they go out and they go buy M5 Comp. Now, if you want to get an M5 Comp to go do YouTube, or you want to get a Hellcat or a Scat Pack Popular Cars to go make a YouTube, hey, I salute you. Go do it, and take the risk. Why not? You know what I'm saying? So I do condone in that if you're gonna do that. Now, another way that I make money, social media. Let's be honest. All right, I did have a really big TikTok page that I have now since deleted, and I had a really big trucking YouTube that I have now since deleted. Well, I didn't delete it. I just deleted I privated all the videos, and I changed the usernames on them. Just because that's not the image that I want anymore as far as being a trucker. Like, I'm young, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not 50. It's not even a problem. I don't know. It's just like an image that I want to portray. So it's not really like that. It's not even an age thing. It's an image that I want to portray, and I don't want to be known as Tez Truck Talk anymore. If you guys go ahead and you Google Tez Truck Talk, you'll see me when I had really long hair and a state trooper, because there's I'm talking viral videos of who I am. And, yeah, that's me. If you Google Tez Truck Talk, that's me. Not gonna lie to you. But yeah, so I make money off TikTok. I make money off YouTube, Facebook, and is that it? YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. Okay, yeah, I think those three are the ones that I make money from right now, like currently. I get monetized on Snapchat as well, so if you haven't added me on Snapchat, man, make sure you go ahead and do that. My Snapchat is AMG_Tez, and I also put it on the screen right here so you guys can look at it too. All right, now let's get into the third way that I also afford this car. Online. Literally just like I want to get a plate that says Wi-Fi money, because this car is literally paid for by the Wi-Fi, literally by the internet. I also sell stuff on Amazon, not even Amazon, just really like stuff wholesale. and I get it for a wholesale price, and then I sell it to a consumer for retail price or what they'll pay, you know. Now that was very hard to get into. I had to have a lot of connects for that, and I had a lot of grateful people help me out. No, I did not purchase a course. You do not have to purchase a course if you have the right connects. Let's be honest. I'm around a lot of people who want to see me win. I know y'all don't ever see me in the videos with anybody. They just prefer not to be in the videos, but I be around people who want to win and are winning and are older than me. You know what I'm saying? Like, as y'all know, I'm not even 25 yet. But I be around like a lot of people. I talk to a lot of people who just are winning in life, you know, and they like the private life, you know. I don't mind sharing my life because, let's be honest, like we're like, you know, if I wouldn't have met them, where would I be? You know, if I wouldn't have went truck driving, if I wouldn't took the sacrifices that I had to take, where would I be? You know what I'm saying? And they influenced me to do that. So I'm coming on here. Maybe I can influence you to make the sacrifice, you know? I'm not saying trucking is your route. I'm not saying selling online is your route. But I'm just saying a sacrifice must be made to get to where you want to be, period. You can't expect things to go your way without sacrificing something, okay? You have to sacrifice something. That's the end of the story. If you're not willing to sacrifice, then you're not willing to be successful, and that's just the truth of it. Now I'm trying to be like hard or mean or anything, but that's just the truth of it. Sacrifice is key to success, in my opinion. It took me sacrifices to get this car. I had to sacrifice a lot of things, you know. When I first started up, well, not so much now, I don't have to sacrifice, but when I first started, you know, I started off my C63, my C63S, and my E63S. I was sacrifices. I was working, you know. I missed birthdays, Thanksgiving, holidays. I missed all that stuff, man. It was just a part of the sacrifice, and I wouldn't take it back because it's got me where I'm at today, you know what I'm saying? So that is why sacrifices is very important. And I know I also went off kind of subject about what I do and sell, but you know what I'm saying? But those are the 3 ways that I do afford this car. If I ever share the other ways, then y'all will know. No, I'm not a scammer. It was just like, I had to get y'all in the video, you know what I'm saying? Surround yourself around people who wants to win. Surround yourself around people who wants to take sacrifices. Surround yourself by people who want to take risks. You see, I do be with people, but I don't be with people. You know what I'm saying? I am very solo dolo, and that is okay with me. I like being solo dolo. I like rocking out by myself. I like y'all get to know me, you know what I'm saying? Y'all are my friends, y'all are my internet friends. I get to see y'all, I get to talk to y'all, and that's good enough for me. That fulfills me enough than anything. Than hanging around fake people who like act like they want to be my friend, don't really want to be my friend, or people who are in competition with, you know, their friends and stuff. But I don't know. I don't want to be around that. That's why I don't hang around people. I had my fair share of friends, all my fair share of run-ins with other people and beef and drama, and I am drama free. I am all that, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to be around it. No negative energy. I'm good. It's about to be 2024. Also, guys, it is Vlogmas, so I will try to vlog all month of December, drop a vlog every single day. That's why I'm out late December 1st getting this content and getting this video in for you guys, and also for me, let's be honest. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's me keeping it a buck, man. I prefer to have multiple sources of income just to afford this car. How you do it is how you do it. It will work for me, may not work for you, but what you have to do, no matter what, is take a chance, risk something, sacrifice something. You have to, and I promise you, it's gonna be worth it if you really apply yourself and really be consistent. I don't know if you guys know, I uploaded a video yesterday. When you guys were seeing this, it was today I uploaded, and which was yesterday when y'all see this, and I think it only got 100 views. But you think that's gonna stop me? No, I don't care. I'm gonna keep going, because all it takes is that one video. All it takes is that one person to click. All it takes is just that one thing for me to just go and be in a whole nother position and be on a whole nother level. I was, you know, discouraged. I was like, man, I don't want to vlog, man, I don't want to do this. And I was gonna upload like a trash video, and I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna upload that. I want to actually give it my all. I want to give y'all my all. I want to perfect this. I want to be good at it. I don't want to just put out crappy content and hope y'all watch it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a lot of YouTubers putting out hour-long videos, and the hour-long videos be nothing. You know, it's literally full of nothing. Like, why did you even record this, bro? You know what I'm saying? And that's no shot to get y'all money, because I know that's how y'all do it. You know what I'm saying? If I was to ever upload an hour YouTube video, it'd be worth some content talking about, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we have to go get these tires mounted because we still haven't got it mounted, man. And I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to all my videos, supporting me and loving me. I love y'all. Y'all be safe. Catch y'all later. Peace.